Hi, and welcome to our series on creating a video project using free web-based video editing software. My name is Mike Benson. In our last video, we left off at uploading our project files in the editor. In this video tutorial, we will begin the editing process of our video project. After you have logged into Clipchamp, you will see our video here. Click on it to open the project in the editor. As you can see, we haven't named our project. Let's call the project The Beach. Since we previously organized and numbered our files in the order that we want them to appear, we can easily and quickly add the files. You can add a file to the timeline by selecting this plus button. We can also drag the file to the timeline. After we have added several files to the timeline, filling up the space, we can select Fit to Screen to see our entire collection of files. Within the timeline, all the media will appear as separate rectangles. Photos will appear like this as a consistent length. The length of audio and video file clips is determined by the number of seconds or minutes of a file. For example, this WAV file is about 2 minutes long. This video file is about 30 seconds long. The speaker icon indicates that this video file includes sound. Of course, not all video has sound. If you select a file, the software provides a number of editing features. For a photo, you can adjust the color, apply a filter, adjust the cropping or opacity, and you can have the photo fade in or out. If you select a video file, you have similar editing features, but you can also adjust the speed and volume of the video. This area also offers tools such as splitting, deleting, or copying a clip. Before we start working more closely with our files, I'd like to mention that the speed of editing video on a web-based system is influenced by your internet speed and the current internet traffic. When working with your files, you may experience some lag. For example, during a peak traffic time, if I select a file and move it, I need to wait for the system to catch up. I have found that by moving patiently in slow, short distances, the system works great. In addition to moving a file, we can also adjust the length of time a photo appears on screen. After selecting the file, you can make adjustments using this handle. The length of video and audio files can be adjusted, however, they can't be extended longer than the original recording. In our next video tutorial, we will add a title and transitions, in addition to working with audio. I hope to see you there.